I believe it said, what is the diagnosis code for prediabetes with hyperglycemia? That one.
Oh, oh, okay. So I'm not going to try to open up Find a Code. It'll be too slow if you want to look it up. But we can go to Find a Code. Now, pre-diabetes is not diabetes. It is not the diabetes code E11. It is not going to be E11. It's not going to be E10. It's not going to be E13 or 12. Those are your main endocrine um, uh, codes. But I can tell you a quick way to look this up. If you know the diabetic codes, you can go into a code like E11.9 and read, and it will usually tell you, hey, if heads up, this excludes diabetes, things like that. You can also look up hyperglycemia, and it'll usually the ICD-10 manual is really good about giving you things to look at and to cross-reference. And encoders are even better at the manual than this because they just kind of pop up for you. Did you have that? Did you find it at all, Schuyler?
I really don't feel that there's going to be a combination code because it's more of that signs and symptoms.
Uh-huh.
And so it'd be more of, perhaps, or definitely coding both of them. So you have
Mm-hmm.
that pre-diabetes, which is the R73.03, and then the hypoglycemia is R73.9.
Okay.
Obviously, that's something that we can look more into, but since it is not a definitive diagnosis, I feel that it would not have, that proper combination code like, E1165 does, diabetes type 2 with hyperglycemia. Now, it doesn't say there's something out there, but, for the purpose of this, I haven't found anything. That's what I've come to a conclusion for in regards to this question.
And that is a good point to make. That is what separates the people that have experience in coding versus the ones that are newer, because you automatically think, oh, I know E11 is going to be one of the first codes that you learn, because anything you want to teach in coding can be done through diabetes. So you're going to
Definitely.
hear it a lot. So you're going to learn I-10 for hypertension and E11. So you'll automatically start thinking of that. But this is actually pre-diabetes, and that's different. And notice that it's an R code versus an E code, which is an endocrine code, or, is how you kind of remember it. It's an R code, which is a completely different area. That should give you a heads up, and it usually confuses everybody. So hopefully that's a good answer for you. But if you get stumped, that's the way to do it. Go and look, and they'll say, hey, by the way, this excludes prediabetes or diabetes due to pancreatectomy or something like that.
Do you need more medical certification and business training? Learn more at www.cco.us.